Welcome to Stock Invest, where we bring you the latest insights before the markets open. Today, we are diving into the key factors moving the markets, from geopolitical tensions to central bank decisions. Stocks are treading water after the Federal Reserve's decision to keep interest rates steady. Investors are keeping a close eye on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's comments about the potential impact of United States tariffs on inflation. Meanwhile, the Middle East is on high alert as the conflict between Israel and Iran continues to escalate. Both nations have launched airstrikes, and the world is watching to see if the United States will get involved. President Trump has left the world guessing about his next move, hinting at possible United States involvement, but also facing backlash from supporters urging restraint. The S&P 500 closed nearly flat, reflecting investor caution. The Nasdaq inched up, while the Dow Jones saw a slight dip as the markets processed the Federal Reserve's stance and geopolitical tensions. In the oil markets, prices are creeping up amid fears that the Iran-Israel conflict could disrupt key shipping lanes, adding another layer of complexity to the global economic landscape. The Federal Reserve's decision to hold rates steady suggests a cautious approach. However, projections indicate possible rate cuts later this year, as the Federal Reserve grapples with inflation concerns. Jerome Powell warned that Trump's tariffs might soon impact consumer prices, potentially complicating the Federal Reserve's efforts to control inflation and maintain economic stability. Across the pond, the Bank of England is set to announce its interest rate decision. Analysts expect rates to hold steady as the United Kingdom navigates its own inflation challenges. In the United Kingdom, inflation figures showed a slight cooling, but the rate remains above the Bank of England's target, adding pressure on policymakers to balance growth and price stability. Back in the United States, President Trump is pushing for progress on the Genius Act, a bill aimed at regulating stablecoins, which he believes will solidify America's leadership in digital assets. The legislation is moving through Congress, with Trump urging swift approval to establish a regulatory framework for stablecoins, which are crucial for facilitating cryptocurrency transactions. As financial markets prepare for the Juneteenth holiday closure, investors are left to ponder the potential impacts of these developments on future trading sessions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell to stay informed about the latest market trends. See you next time.